Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. You saw it here first. You are able to wirelessly charge your Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. Now, out of the box, you cannot do this. There is an additional adapter you do need to purchase that will make your J7 Star able to wirelessly charge. And it's this little adapter right here. It's called a Qi wireless charging receiver module, and it is a micro USB variant. I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to get one of these, but it's really cool. Basically, if you put a case on your phone, it works the best. You just pop your case right over it, and you're able to just put it on any wireless charger, and you'll be able to wirelessly charge. It's just that simple. I've used wireless charging with so many phones in the past, and you know, it sucks that sometimes the phones in this tier don't come with wireless charging, so I was like, hey, there's gotta be a way to do this. And sure enough, I found this little adapter online. It's under 20 bucks. Sometimes it goes as low as 10. And it works really good. You know, I have a wireless charger by my bed. I have one in my office. So it's just great to have the capability with just this little adapter. So also got this really cool power bank wireless charger as well. So when I'm out and about, I take this and I'm able to still wirelessly charge my phone because the adapter is on there, and it does have to be turned on. So let's make sure it's turned on, and you just take it, place it right over the sensor, and give it a second to connect, and that's it. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this little adapter so you guys can get one and get your phone wireless charging as well. I will leave a link for this charger and this charger as well, because they're just great accessories to go with the wireless charging module. And hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.